Okay, so in this video we are going to edit our website. So I have opened my browser and have gone to my website, which is at www.howtomakemoneyontheinternet.tv. At the moment it's showing the default WordPress blog theme, but we can actually make this website look pretty much exactly how we want it to. There are thousands and thousands of different themes that we can use, and we can edit the themes so that it looks exactly as we want it to look. But obviously that takes a bit of time, and this is a training video, so we're just going to do some very basic editing of the actual content that's on the website rather than actually editing the appearance of the site. Okay, so I'll start by just showing you around the website as it is at the moment. So up here we have the title of the website. This is what we entered when we were setting up the WordPress blog. And here I've put in a subheading. This was the description that I entered. You may have left this blank, but that's where it appears. Down here we have a menu bar which will take me to different pages. On the side here we have what's called a sidebar, and that sidebar has different bits of information which are called widgets. Okay, so we can basically edit everything that you see here. We can change the title, we can change the subtitle, we can change this picture, or we can remove this picture. We can remove the title up here and actually have it as a graphic in here as a picture. We can change the menu here. We can change how this page is laid out, whether we want one sidebar or two sidebars or one sidebar on each side. We can decide which widgets we have appearing here, so you don't want any more information than your visitor needs to see. So I would probably delete stuff on here that I didn't think was relevant. Okay. Now, in order to edit it, we need to log in to our control panel. Okay. Now, this isn't the HostGator control panel, it's the WordPress control panel. In order to do that, I need the username and password. Now, if you can't remember what they were, remember we ticked the box to have them emailed to us. So if we go to open our email account, we'll find the information that we need. Okay, so I've opened my emails, and this is the email that I'm looking for. It's from nobody, and the subject is WordPress installation on, and the name of the website here. Okay, so we open that, and the information we need is the username and the password. Okay, and it gives me here the admin URL, what I need to go to actually enter the admin control panel. So if I go back to my website, now I can log in by clicking on this here where it says login. That'll take me to how to make money on the internet.tv WP-login. Okay, I can enter my username and password there. But like I said, in future videos when I show you how to edit this properly, you'll probably remove this information because it's not information that our visitors need to see. So in order to log in, we can actually just type in /wp-admin. Okay, oops, don't want it in capitals. And that will take us to the admin page. And then we enter the username. And our password. And we log in. And that takes us to our dashboard, which is the control panel for our WordPress blog. Okay. Now in here we can, on the left hand side here, you can see that we can edit the posts, media, which is things like videos or graphics or pictures that you upload, links, which is links to other sites, and pages, and the comments. People can add comments, and we can control which comments appear. Okay. You can alter the appearance, so you can alter the themes, the widgets, what appears in the sidebars, the menus, the background, the header, and we can even edit the actual code if we want to. We can install various different plugins which will do all sorts of things for us. Again, I won't go into any detail now, but One of the great things about WordPress is there are so many plugins that we can put into our website that will take care of lots of things that we want our website to do, a lot of the functionality. Okay, you can control users, but it's likely that you'll be the only users, and you can control the settings. Okay, and I'll show you something about that in a moment. Okay, the easiest thing to do actually is open a new tab. So this is my dashboard, so I'm inside the admin area. If I open a new tab, and then go to the site again, so I'll type in the site. And I find this a useful way to make changes in this tab and then click on this tab to see how the changes have taken effect. Okay, so at the moment, what appears on the front page is a post. Okay, this is a post. It's the default post that WordPress automatically put on your website for you. Okay, and it just says welcome to WordPress. This is your first post. Edit or delete it, then start blogging. Okay, so that's a post, and then this is, and that's on the home page. Okay, and this is a sample page. If you click on that, it takes me to a sample page, and it's got some default text on there. Okay, if I click on home, it takes me back to that post. So at the moment, this website is set up so that the home page displays the latest post. Okay, now the difference between a post and a page is that a page is meant to be a sort of permanent static page of your site, so you'd have things on there that you want to stay there forever. So it'd be like maybe your contact details or your terms and conditions, or a bit of information about you or your business. Okay, so pages are meant to be sort of permanent and they stay there for all time. Obviously you can change them and delete them, etc., but that's their purpose. A post is what makes a blog really. A post is more like a recent update, like a news release or your latest thoughts or what you've done this week. So they're less permanent, they're more ephemeral, if you like. It's your current thoughts or your current impressions or your what you currently want to tell people about. It's like a news update. So with most blogs, what you see on the home page is the most recent post. Okay. Now, this is not a detailed lesson about blogging. It's how to get a website up quickly that is capable of selling a product and building a list. So we're not going to concern ourselves with posts at the moment. What we're going to concern ourselves with is putting up 2 pages. The first page will be the home page that we want to use to collect people's names and email addresses so we can build a list. And the second page is going to be a page where we deliver some content to them and also try to make our first sale. Okay.